Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to create a online jewelry shop using Shopify. Be sure to check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial and also a $1 for 1 month one-time deal. So without further ado, let's get going. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go over here on the top left to the products section and we're going to click here on add product. So what we're going to do is we're going to upload the products that we're going to use on our online store. For example, I'm going to start with a diamond ring over here. And as you can see here, we have the description section here. What you're going to do is we can either add our own description of our product. We can use the built-in AI of Shopify to generate an automatic description, or we can use our AI of choice to make our description. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to use ChatGPT, and once I'm back with the description, I'll be back. As you can see, I have my description here. So what we're going to do next is we're going to go to the media section and we're going to choose the image that corresponds to our product. Here I'm going to choose this one, and as you can see, once it's done processing, it's going to appear right over here. So below our image, we have the category of our product. Usually Shopify chooses your category for you and it's usually right. But if you want, you can click here and you can change the category for your product. If we keep going down, you see that here we have the pricing section and we're going to put our, for example, 20,000 pesos. And here we have the cost per item section. For example, let's say that each ring is going to cost us 16,000 pesos to make, so we would be making a 4,000 pesos profit at a 20% margin of profit. For inventory, I'm just going to uncheck this because I'm not going to keep track of inventory. And if we're going to do any shipping, here we have a weight section, so we can put the weight of our product in case we're going to ship it to anywhere. So the last thing that we're going to do is here we have the product type, our vendor, and our collections. Be sure to check the homepage section over here so that the product is added to our homepage. And if we want, here we have also a tags section where we can tag our product. For example, let's put jewelry. So we click enter and that way we would have the tag ready. So once we have finished customizing our product, what we're going to do is we're going to click over here on the bottom right and we're going to click save. As you can see over here, if we go back, we would have our first product uploaded. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click over here on the right again to add product, and I'm going to finish uploading all of the products that I'm going to have on my online store. So I'll be back in a while when I finish doing that. So as you can see here, I have finished uploading all of my products. You can see that I have added a diamond earrings, a gold bracelet, and a silver necklace. So once we have finished uploading all of our products, what we're going to do is we're going to customize our online store. So we're going to go over here on the left to online store. And the first thing that we're going to be able to change is the theme of our store. If we go over here on the bottom, we have a couple of free themes that Shopify is going to provide us. But if we want to look for more themes, what we can do is we're going to click here on Visit Theme Store. And as you can see here, we have a lot of different themes that we can use for our website. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stick with the default one for now. So I'm going to click here on Customize. And as you can see here, our website would appear, which we would be able to customize to our liking. So I'm going to click here on this section. You see these things outlined by a blue line, and with the name right over here are going to be called sections. And here on the right, we're going to have a lot of different options to customize our sections. For example, I'm going to choose my image banner and I'm going to click here on select image. We're going to click on add images, and then we're going to choose a image to be displayed on our banner. Once it's done processing, we're going to click on done, and as you can see, the background image of our banner has changed. If we so wanted, we can add another image over here, and you can see that we have a lot of different options. For example, we can change the color scheme between other things, so feel free to play with those options if you so wanted. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my heading, and over here on the right I'm going to change the text. So for example, I'm going to put welcome to my jewelry store, and as you can see, the text over here has now changed. Now let's say that we want to add a new section to our website. What we're going to do is we're going to click over here on the left on template. We're going to click on add section, and as you can see, a lot of options are going to pop up. We have featured collections, featured products, collections lists, etc. For now, I'm just going to add a featured product, and if I click on this section, you can see here that the name pops up. On the right, I'm going to be able to select a product over here to be displayed on my website. For example, we're going to choose the diamond ring, and as you can see here, the product would be displayed on the section. Let's change it up a bit. Let's say I want to change the color scheme. I'm going to choose a dark mode scheme, for example, and you can see that the background has now changed. Now let's say that we have added a new section by mistake, for example a featured collection, and as you can see it has appeared right here, but I do not want it to be here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this section, be sure that it's outlined, that the section that you want to eliminate is going to be outlined blue, and I'm going to click here on remove section. So once I have clicked there, you can see that the section has disappeared. Another thing that we can do is we can add sections to our footer. Here, for example, we have a email sign up, custom liquid if we want to code, and the same thing goes for our header. Here we can add a section, again we can add custom liquid and an announcement bar. Another very important thing about our header is that right over here you see that it says my store. Well, here our store name is going to be displayed. Now if we want to change our store's name so that a different name is displayed here, what we're going to do is we're going to save our changes, we're going to exit here, and we're going back to the home page of Shopify. We're going to click here on name your store, and we're going to choose a name for our store. Just going to put jewelry. I'm going to save my changes, and you can see if we go back here on the online store and we click on customize again, the name has now changed. So the last thing that we're going to do for our website to see if everything is correctly, we're going to click here on the three dots and we're going to preview our website. You can see that here is redirecting us to our website, and here we would be able to make sure that everything is just the way we want it to. So once we have finished doing that, what I'm going to do is we're going to go over to the analytics and marketing section of Shopify. Now guys, this is going to be a very important section for us to monitor. For example, here we have our total sales, we have our total orders, the average order value. It's going to tell us which products are going to be the most popular amongst our customers, between many other things that are going to be really helpful, and that it's going to be really easy for us to manage and customize our website all from here. Now the last thing that I wanted to show you guys is going to be the discount section. Here we can add a discount. For example, I'm going to choose a amount of products, and here we can customize our own discount for our online store. Now here this we can use, for example, to post on social media, maybe make a gift to a friend of one of our discounts, etc. Now first we have to choose our code for our discount. We can make Shopify generate a random one right over here, or if we want we can put our own code. For example, I'm going to put jewelry 101, and as you can see, that would be my code. Now we have to choose which kind of discount is going to be. For example, I'm going to choose a percentage amount, for example, a 10%, and here we can choose where the discount is going to apply to. I'm going to click on browse, and I'm going to choose my homepage collection. Now my discount would apply to the products that are going to be on my home page. Here we can further customize our discount. For example, if we need any minimum purchases requirements for our discount, the customer eligibility, if the discount is going to have a maximum amount of uses, the combinations, and here we can, if we click over here on set end date, we can change the amount of time that our discount will be available for. For example, here I choose from the 9th to the 16th. Once we have finished setting up our discount, we're going to click here on save discount, and as you can see here, we would have our first discount ready to share. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify and a one-time 1 month for $1 deal. So peace out.